So, the plan, we're gonna go yacht hunting. Me and my silly hat, we've got our target up here, about a kilometre away. So, won't take long, a few minutes. Massive. Wind's really picked up, it's great. Just switch boards. It's like a skipping stone. Hasn't been like this for a little while. Keep getting some good sessions in the last few days, it's great. Look. I just tried waving, nothing. They didn't see me.